What up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dealer Cyberman. I make videos about tech, finance, and my software engineering journey. I drop videos weekly, so if you guys are interested, please feel free to subscribe, turn on notifications. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and drop a like. It would mean a lot to me. Also, if you guys want to help me pay off my school tuition, that would mean a lot if you dropped a like. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So the first reason why majoring in computer science can be a bad idea is all the competition that it comes with. Computer science is actually one of the most popular majors and is the most popular engineering major. So with all these people going for the computer science degree, it can be extremely competitive to get internships. And this isn't just at my school, this is just nationwide. An article published by the New York Times shows a student named Holly-Ann Ross, a computer science major who went to Central Connecticut State University, applied to over 200 tech internships and hadn't received a single acceptance offer. And it's not just tech internships. Internships in general have gotten way more competitive as time went on. So not only do you have to worry about tech internships, but if you wanted to get a foot in the door at any company in hopes of someday moving into the tech sector of that company, you'll also find it difficult to do so. Forbes magazine published an article headlining "Getting an internship is more competitive than ever." And as we can see in this article, tech internships are getting increasingly harder to land. All right, so the next point of why majoring in computer science can also be a bad idea is just the job stability. Right now, if you're majoring in computer science, you're probably super nervous like me about what the future of tech is gonna look like. Recently, all the top tech companies in the world, such as Google, Meta, Microsoft, have been laying off thousands of workers. Many other majors don't really have to deal with this problem. For example, if you're majoring in biology to become a doctor, your job will always be secure since I don't really see the human body changing anytime soon. Whereas in the tech field, new technologies are being created every single day. So people who got a computer science degree, let's say 10 years ago, won't really have the same equal opportunity as someone who just got a computer science job. Another thing you have to take into account is if you work at, let's say, a big company like Google, Facebook, or Meta, a lot of these companies have internal technologies that are only found at these companies. So let's say if you're working at Google for 10 years and you want to pivot to find a new job, it can be extremely difficult since you're not accustomed to all the new technologies that are in the market. Another reason why the computer science major is actually a bad idea is because of the actual things that are taught in college. So something that a lot of people don't know is computer science is basically a math major that has some computer science classes and some science classes. I know going into university, I thought that computer science was gonna only have coding classes. I thought I was gonna learn how to make websites. I thought I was gonna learn how to make apps, but that's far from the truth. In fact, if you're enrolled in a computer science major right now, chances are you're learning more about algebra, calculus, and a lot more of the fundamental and theoretical points of computer science. While this does help build a good foundation for your computer science knowledge further down the line, in the industry and how fast the tech industry is changing, it doesn't really help you pivot into the industry as fast as you would think it would. And the final point I wanted to talk about is loneliness. So a computer science major, or if you want to be a computer scientist, it can be an extremely lonely career. Most computer scientists or programmers, or most of the opportunity in the computer science field, you're gonna have to sit in front of a computer the majority of the time. Unlike other fields such as doctors, lawyers, or some of the blue collar jobs, you're not really interacting with people as much as, let's say, a computer scientist. The majority of your day is gonna look like studying, coding in front of a computer, and you might have some, if you're at a company such as Google, Facebook, or something like that, yeah, you're probably gonna collaborate with people, but majority of your day, you're gonna be by yourself in front of a computer screen, trying to figure out code or trying to build and output projects for your team. So yeah, those are all things you have to take into account if you want to major in computer science. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up the video for today. Next video, I'll be discussing the reasons why computer science is actually a good major. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and feel free to subscribe, drop a like if you like this video, and let me know down in the comments below, is computer science a bad or a good major? And until next time.